emphasize enough the importance of the Gayatri mantra and how it is present in us. And we said that the Gayatri alphabets are spread through the Ramayana every 1000 verses. The power of each alphabet can be seen in the Gayatri Varanmala Stotram and how it energizes every 1000 verses of the Ramayana and throughout our body via the 1000 branches of the sensory nervous system. The spine is made up of 33 bones. 24 are movable, the balance are fixed. There are 33 crore of devatas who control all arrangements of the laws of nature. 1 crore equals 10 million. And they are represented by the seed number 33, that is the 33 bones of the spine. They are the 8 vasus or regions of the manifest creation, that is earth, water, fire, air, ether, moon, sun and stars. Vasus personify various natural phenomena. 11 rudras or pain inducers, which are the 10 vital breaths called prana, apana, vyana, saman, udan, naga, kurma, krikala, devadat and dhananjaya and the atma. The 12 adityas, which represent the 12 months of the year, are so called because they take away and exhaust the life of all. The Ashwini twins, early morning stars, who bring prosperity and health, they are the sons of Surya. These devatas uphold the destiny of man. The Gayatri bestows the gift of these 33 deities, and these 33 deities bestow the 33 gifts of divinity, and these gifts are sweetness, peace of mind, valor, good education, contentment, health, etc. It is said that during Sri Krishna's reign, 33,000 gopis danced upon seeing him. One interpretation of this is that from the Muladhara chakra, there are 33,000 nerves that permeate the body. After seeing Sri Krishna, the Kundalini gets activated and all the 33,000 nerves began dancing upward. The great sage Parashraha, he was a Vedic rishi, identified in his study of the human brain that the structures of fibers around the thalamus is where the sensory nerves originate. They appear like a crown around it, and it is called corona radiala, sheets of nerves, or radial crown. And the fibers are described as like the sun's rays, that is Surya, connecting to these brain structures, like the hypothalamus symbolizing the moon, the subthalamus symbolizing Mercury, the globus pallidus representing the largest planet, Jupiter, and substantia nigra depicting the planet Venus, red nucleus forming the planet Mars, and bitumen forming Saturn. Each planet has a governing deity. The rays are also structured as the fibers flowing from the corona radiala to these 7 structures of the brain, and they administer the entire brain functioning and form the basis of our perception. The 7 rays or colors also represent each day of the week. The relationship occurs as follows. Sun as a source of light and strength, that is Sunday, and we refer to Sunday as Ravi. Then we have moon, which steers waters and the waves and creates natural resources, that is Monday, called Somvar. Then you have Mars, which control the physical laws of nature, that is Tuesday, referred to as Mangal. And then you have Mercury, which directs the intellect, that is Wednesday, and we refer to Wednesday as Bud. Then we have Jupiter, which directs knowledge, perception and understanding. That is Thursday, and we refer to Thursday as Guruvar. Then we have Venus, which provides vitality and radiance, and that is Shukravar, that is Friday. And finally we have Saturn, which provides the negative qualities, that is Saturday or Shani. The above constitute the 7 days of the week, and they influence the 7 Khand of the Ramayan. That is Bal Khand, which we refer to as the Khand of dispassion, Ayodhya Khand, where there is no animosity, Aranya Khand, where it is a Khand of desirelessness, Kishkinda Khand is a Khand of friendship, Sundar Khand is a Khand of bhakti, Lanka Khand is a Khand of mukti, and Uttar Khand is a Khand of the Ras, the Jews. We looked at the Ramayan in comparison to the functioning of the universe and the human body. Now let us look at some general factors and see what the Ramayan teaches us. Sri Ram is the Paramatman, the Supreme Soul. And Mother Sita is the Jivatman, the individual soul. And each man or woman's body is Lanka. The Jivatman, which is enclosed in the body and captured on the island of Lanka, always desired to be in affinity with Paramatman, that is Sri Ram. But the Rakshas will not allow it, and Rakshas represent certain traits or characters in us. Vibhishan, that is Sattvic, Ravan, that is Rajasic and egoistic, and Kumbhakaran, Tamasic. They keep Mother Sita back. Hanumanji visits her. He is the Guru or divine teacher who shows her the Lord's ring, that is Brahmagyan, that is the supreme wisdom that destroys illusion. Now, dear brothers and sisters, we come to thinking process. Is there a way that we think? Is there a process by which we think? Let us look at the both camps, one on the side of Sri Ram and the other on the side of Ravan, and see how their process, thinking process, help one to gain victory, that is Sri Ram, and the other to be defeated, that is Ravan. Now Ram, being a word form, is a certain state of vibration of the mind. By that we mean the word Ram is a mantra, and we know Hanumanji used to daily recite Ram, Ram, Ram. So it is a state of vibration of the mind that will lift you up spiritually. Sita being Prakriti, that is mother energy, that is nature, she is the energizing force in the mind, giving rise to various thought waves. These thought waves of lust, desire, feelings, etc. are different modifications of the mind. Then we have Lakshmanji. He is the unconscious state of Ram's mind. The unconscious or instinct state of Ram's mind, that is Lakshman, is not rebellious. That is, his unconscious state of mind is well behaved and well disciplined. We saw this in the encounter with Mother Shabri when Sri Ram was offered the berries, right? Lakshmanji didn't like Mother Shabri offering Sri Ram the half-eaten berries. So that is what Sri Ramji is referring to here in the case of Lakshmanji. Then we have Bharatji. Bharat is the conscious reason state of Ram's mind. Bharat persuaded Ram to get back to his throne. Ram does not hear Bharat. Bharat is reason, thinking that reason is not a perfect discriminating faculty of mind. And we saw this in the encounter with Hanumanji, where Bharatji thought Hanumanji to be an enemy and shot an arrow at him. It works under limitation, that is Bharatji. It makes mistake at times. So Ram has full conquest of his conscious state of mind, that is Bharat. It cannot guide him wrongly. Then we have Hanumanji. Hanumanji is a superconscious, the inspiration state of Ram's mind. He is always his divine teacher who facilitates his every difficult situation. Inspiration guides his instinct, that is Sri Ram. Inspiration guides Sri Ram, that is Hanumanji guides Sri Ram, Lakshman and Bharat, that is reason. It is the state of perfect discriminative faculty of mind that never misguides a person. The state of inspiration, that is Hanumanji, is absolute knowledge. Knowledge is power, and power is conquest over other minds. Now let us look at the use of these faculties from the other camp, the camp of Ravan. Who these faculties are and how they are used. Ravan is a worldly man who does not believe in the existence of the mind in a higher state, that is superconscious state. That is, he did not believe in, like how Sri Ram believed in Hanumanji, Ravan does not believe in a superconscious state. He is a superconscious person himself. And he doesn't even believe in inspiration like this, like in the case of Lakshmanji. He also does not believe in reason, that is like Bharat. He is himself superconscious, reason and inspiration. Whether it degrades him or brings deformation, it means that he is Lakshman, Bharat and Hanumanji all himself. He ignores the ideal component of man's character. Unlike Ram, Ravan does not believe in a state of vibration of the mind. Therefore, it is not a word form. Kumbhakaran is the unconscious, instinctive state of Ram's mind, like Lakshman. But Ravan takes cognizance of him, that is Kumbhakaran, and uses him when he feels necessary. Suparnaka, she is a feminine figure, and like Mother Sita, is his intuitive intellect, which is his motive power, means that she moves him. It moves his reason, that is, it moves Ravan. Intuitive intellect is little higher than reason, Ravan himself, but it does not fare well when difficult situations come suddenly. And we know the episode with Sri Ram and Lakshman and the battle. Then we have Vibhishan. Vibhishanji is like Hanumanji. He is a superconscious inspiration state of Ram's mind. But Vibhishan presents as a possibility, but Ravan ignores Vibhishan always. It means the high suggestion of a serene nature, that is Vibhishan, is pushed aside and underestimated by Ravan. Ravan does not listen to Vibhishan. It implies that the superconscious state of Ravan is not conscious by that time. Ravan is a worldly man, a man of practical reason, the actual. On the other side, Ram is a non-worldly man, a man of pure reason, inspiration, the ideal. A struggle for supremacy ensures between these two ideals of mankind. Thank you for tuning in and sharing your time with me today. Make sure to like and share this video with everyone. Stay connected, stay inspired. May Sri Ram be with you always. See you in the next video. Jai Sri Ram.